In this tutorial I will show you how you can easily check your watch history on Twitter. First, open the Twitter app. Make sure that you are logged into your Twitter account. Then tap on my profile picture at the top left. Next, tap on this Settings and Support button. Then select Settings and Privacy. Tap on this Your Account option. In order to see watch history, we will tap on this Download and Archive of your data. We need to download a copy of our Twitter data in order to access and see our Twitter watch history. They will ask to verify your account. Tap on Request Archive option. Twitter will send a zip file to download all of our Twitter data. When you download the file, just extract it and you will be able to see all of the different data for your Twitter account, including the watch history. That is the only way to see your watch history on Twitter.